welcome back to my channel. Look who I am with today, guys. All 2020 I haven't like tried out any more wigs from RPG, so it feels good. You guys know I've been rocking with RPG for years. Okay, so as usual, you guys know the packaging, like this is nothing new. And as I open the package, these are what I'm seeing in here. So I get a comb, got one of these rat tail combs, of course branded RPG. I got a wig cap, I got extra straps for the wig, I got a pamphlet for the wig in my package. There I am in the pamphlet, yes. Got a wax stick. These are always handy. That's all the goodies that I got. And then this is our wig that we have today. Some information on the front here as usual, branded RPG. So this is style number BOB01. It's a natural hair color. It's 8 inches long and it's 180% in density. And yeah, this is how the wig looks. This is the pre-plucked. So this is how the front looks. This is pre-plucked and I can definitely see that it's bleached. The lace is customized already. So it's the pre-plucked 4.5 parting lace front wig. So this is how much space you get. It's a natural curly bob. I'm just gonna pluck a little bit more, nothing serious. I guess I'll show you guys. And I'll just put it on my mannequin head really quick. But this hair, let's talk about the hair. When you can see the luster, it feels extremely good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gas it up more than it needs to be gassed. But this is extremely silky. This is very silky. Like, to how silky it look, I thought product was on it. Like, nothing not on it. So, and look at the parting. It looks so natural. It looks like scalp.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. My compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong.
But some about this, like it's really full, and as I showed it, like I really love the luster, the hairline. I went in and did a little bit more plucking because I wanted this side to be really well graduated, and I mean I didn't pluck as much over here, to be honest. Nor here. I did take off some more here. I took off some more over here, but not as much as I did here. So yeah, and I'm going to just tie it down with my elastic bands. Not what I tried out a number of these like short wigs since this year. You know, I mean, it's not that hot right now where I'm at, because it's been raining a lot since lately. But, and I'm loving the weather, to be honest. So I mean, but like the other day, this is perfect for like the heat, you know, it's perfect. So I'm just letting this sit. If you notice, I'm just kind of talking to you guys. I'm letting this sit on my hairline, and what do you do? In the meantime, I could like start cutting off from the side, because the sides aren't like fully elastic down.
Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your star. When I'm up through the night,
as you can see, the sides are peeking through. So what I did is just cut off the excess lace there, because sometimes what I realize is, like, when I go in and I want to like cut off the excess lace, you know, that lace will lift it a little bit, because it's got to be like, you'll have the free ends or edges, and you have to go back in a little bit and tap it. Sometimes with the sides, it's easy to get to like be lifted, so to have the rest of the wig secure while I do that is very convenient, and I've never actually tried it out that way before. I hope you guys understand what I mean. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this side, because the sides can be very the sides are usually like a little bit, you know, take a little bit longer to stick sometimes. Okay. When you use one of these elastic bands, try your best to not make them fly all over the place. Like, alright, so that is looking nicely laid. And as you guys know, that step really just helps to like melt the wig in more.
Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. My compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling.
Like, I want to go in with this one today. Usually I want to be very minimalistic, but today I want like a lot of soft, like that soft baby hair look on like the front area here. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but you guys are gonna see. So like when this dries down, when my makeup is done and everything, I comb it out, and then it be really like soft.
Feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon.
You guys comment it and say makeup tutorial, so don't worry, this week I'm giving you guys a makeup tutorial, not anything simple like this. I'm gonna give you guys some drama. It's long overdue, I know, so don't worry, and don't be worrying about all this baby hair either. I'm about to comb it out. But yeah, that's a quick update on the makeup tutorial. Today I'm just doing something super soft as usual, like what I'm always doing since recently. So I think you guys deserve some drama now, so I'm going to give you guys some drama.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart, I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing.
Looks way more natural when the edges are soft and it's not as flat. Like, you see what I'm talking about? I like that. I like that. And today, as I said, I was really feeling the vibe to do more baby hairs, so I really like that. Like, it's really just soft and it's like well laid and it's all melted. Look at that lace. You know, it's super melted. I feel like it's a little lean, so I feel like I'm gonna go in over here and like cut some off right here, make it shorter. This part is a little bit longer. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna wet it up with some curling cream, some water, and some mousse. Yeah, I'm going in with products today.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million.
Also, one thing I must tell you guys, like, this type of wig is very light on the shedding. Any hair that I'm getting out, like mostly right now, is from what I plucked earlier on and like, you know, what I just cut off, like loose parts. Why I apply the cream is because it's gonna give me that soft, longer curl look, and then I'm just gonna top off everything with the mousse. This side to be more, you know, like scrunched up. And of course, you could, if you want like a shorter curly look, you could definitely feel free to go in and like do that. Oh my god, I love it. What was that? I know. Yo, this is it. I don't know what it is, I just love this cut. Like, and you don't have to do a lot, like additional customization to it. Look how pretty those curls are. Look at the shape of this cut. Look at it. Look at that. But not like RPG hit different from long time. I don't know that too. Anybody want to follow me from long time? Yeah, if you have followed me from long time, yeah, no. And this smells so good. Like, my hair smells so good because I added the curling cream. Like, it smells so good. I like this little one little curl here. Still keep it out of my face. Oh my god, I'm gonna leave that little one curl here. So yeah. All right. I love this. Let me go. I know it's not the first time I'm doing this. Like, why am I acting like it's the first time? Like, why, right? Why? But it's so nice. And with this little bead is, it goes well with the look. Like, no liner, just really nicely highlighted and glowing. It's like just the perfect go-to look. Like, you know, for about an ear on your shoulder, you just look nice and sleek and fresh and just snatched. It's so gorgeous. No matter how much time I do this wig, I can't get tired. Like, I'm going to put all the information on this wig down below as usual, so go ahead and check it out if you're interested in getting it. The link is there. That's it. Don't forget, stay tuned for my makeup tutorial for this week. You don't want to miss that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Your girl is very frequent with her uploads. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel like PETITE-SUE TV. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, one big up on yourself. Bye.
You remember from me, child, when you're out on your own.